Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to break down a bit the story of how flight is working. I've heard a lot of theories during training. This is actually no rocket science. The first thing we may notice when we see flight technology is this matte adhesive. Most of film today are looking gloss. Matte is actually how flight is working. We have a lot of cool abilities that many of you may know, like sliding on the surface before application or easy snapping even after applying pressure. This is, to be honest, nothing new on the business for most part. The difference here is how we actually achieved it. Most vinyl today rely on what we call inhibitor system, something on top of the adhesive to prevent it from touching the surface. And when we push on it, so pressure activation, it starts to build a bond with the surface. Here we have a matte adhesive, meaning it is a rough surface in comparison with a gloss one. We don't have any inhibitors. This is 100% adhesive. Even when we push on the surface, it's not enough to make it stick 100% or getting 100% contact with the surface. That leads us to easy snapping and repositioning. After applying pressure, the system is not gone. That leads us to a very important question, a question I hear really often during presentation of SLX or other flight products. How does it stick to the surface? The answer is fairly simple, the wetting out process. For those of you that may not be familiar with it, the wetting out process is the process of air channels collapsing and the adhesive taking the shape of the surface we are applying it on. With time passing, it means the bond between the adhesive and the surface will grow stronger and stronger until it reaches 100% contact. Not a lot I can do about this wetting out process because it is influenced by time. Not a lot? Actually, that is not completely true. I can cheat a bit on time by using heat and pressure, combination of both. Heat will make the vinyl softer, when pressure will spread adhesive on the surface, increasing the contact between adhesive and the surface, meaning it increases adhesion. Of course, it doesn't mean with flight you have to post it the whole car surface. That would be a huge waste of time. And we designed our flight product to make you guys win time during wrapping. The same than any other product, you just have to post it the key places. Edges, deep recesses, concave section, overlaps. All the rest, flat, convex part, time will do the job. In the end, the bond of this film is exactly the same, sometimes stronger than other product. You don't have to worry about that. This is the only thing about flight. Like I said, it's no rocket science. Just a rough surface, time doing the job, or we cheating a bit on time. Hope I made it clear to you guys. See you next time.